In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Gmail account quickly and easily. Whether you're setting up a personal account for everyday use or simply looking for a new email address, this guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open your Chrome browser. Once it's open, direct your attention to the address bar at the top of the page and type in accounts.google.com/signup. Press enter and you will be taken to Google's account creation page. This is where the journey begins. Now that we're on the sign up page, it's time to enter your personal information, which is essential for setting up your new account. You'll find fields asking for your first and last name. Enter those accordingly. This helps Google personalize your account and identify you in their ecosystem. Next up, you'll create your username. This is the email address you'll use, so make it something memorable, like your name 123. Try to create something unique yet professional, as it will represent you or your brand in various scenarios. Moving on, it's time to create a strong password. A robust password is crucial for protecting your account from unauthorized access. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure it's secure. Once you've crafted your password, you'll need to confirm it by entering it again. This step is just to make sure you haven't made any typos. After you've filled in these details, click the next button to proceed. Now let's enhance the security of your new account by adding some recovery information. This step is optional but highly recommended. Start by entering a phone number, which can be used for two-step verification or for account recovery if you ever lose access. You can also add a recovery email. This is another way to help recover your account should you forget your password in the future. Additionally, provide your birth date and select your gender. This information is used for account security and personalization features. Once all the information is correctly entered, click Next. You're almost there. The next page will present you with Google's Privacy and Terms document. It's a good idea to scroll through and familiarize yourself with how Google handles your data, even though it might seem a bit lengthy. When you're ready to continue, click on the I agree button to confirm you understand and accept their terms. And that's it. Congratulations, your new Gmail account has been successfully created. You'll be redirected to your Gmail inbox where you can start sending and receiving emails. This new email is now ready to be put to work, whether for personal correspondence, professional interactions, or signing up for various online services. Thanks for following along and enjoy your new Gmail account.